Today we're at Ford Slater Sheffield. We're hosting our DAF Roadshow for 2025 to exhibit our Model Year 25 range, our EV electric range, get close with our customers and let people know exactly what DAF are. Meet DAF people, create new relationships and build our existing relationships.
The last time we did a roadshow of this scale was back in 2021 when the new generation range was launched. And we've had a few revisions since then, namely with the Model Year 25, and also our electric offering has increased significantly. So we're embarking on this roadshow to really talk to our key customers, to communicate the benefits that the Model Year 25 range can bring them, but also introduce them to the electric concept in a bit more detail and talk about our service offering as well.
We are currently at Ford Slater Leicester. This is the Leicester leg of the DAF Roadshow. We have an array of customers here and vehicles and demonstrators where we will be showcasing the DAF latest offering.
So yeah, some of the sites have been able to offer test facilities to use as a ride and drive, and it's been really good. Customers have been able to try a fully loaded eHGV like this XF electric behind us, and the feedback's been immensely positive. You know, trying a truck out in a real life scenario with a proper load on really allows people to understand, hey, this can actually work in reality. So for us it's been fantastic. They've also been able to try a loaded 8-wheeler amongst some of the other long haul heavy duties that we have.
The roadshow gives us the opportunity to get close with our customers, get them to our dealerships, showcase our products and further build on our relationships using our own dealer people and with the manufacturer DAF Trucks, giving that confidence that somebody is always there to listen and help.
The customer reactions have been great. It's nice to have the Model Year 25 demonstrators on display. We have some loaded trailers as well, so the customers can go out and take a test drive in these. We also have the electric vehicle on display as well, and the customers can go out and try these as well. But the reaction and feedback has been great.
So the roadshow today has been really good. We've just finished our sort of presentations and it's been fantastic, really great reception from customers, a lot of intrigue as well. We're talking about some new things that are coming, both in terms of product updates, but also legislation as well. So yeah, really good. Feedback's been generally quite overwhelmingly positive. A lot of people able to try vehicles that they may not normally operate in their own fleet, but yeah, it's been superb, can't fault it.
I'd just like to thank DAF and our customers for joining us today. It takes a lot of effort to put this on, so really appreciate the work that DAF have gone to help us with this, and again really appreciate our customers coming and supporting us, and it's really nice to see and catch up with them all.